Tired of boring leftover rotis? Don't toss them, transform them. These 6 genius ideas will make you crave your leftovers. Welcome to the Slow Whisk. Let's get started. Take a roti and cut it into 4 parts, like I have shown in the video. Well, most of the video is self-explanatory. What is not explanatory is your love, what you pour when you are making these rotis for your family, for your kids, your loved ones. Usually, leftover rotis are given a bad treatment, isn't it? Well, here are 6 ways where you can transform these rotis. Make them into cones or turn them into a croissant. Make them into parcels or stuff them and make pinwheel rotis like I have shown. You could do even noodles with them. Well, I have shown all the 6 ways where you can use the leftover rotis. Of course, the 6th one is not a leftover roti, it's done with a fresh roti. So, wait for the 6th one and do watch it till the end. If you like the recipes I post, do share them with your friends and family who don't know what to do with the leftover rotis. You can also share them with your family members. Of course, turn the rotis into a work of art and share them with your family. Send it in the lunchbox for your kids or for your family. Not necessary you need to make them with the leftovers. You could also make them fresh and pack it in their lunchbox. Also, do send them a sweet little note which reminds them of your love for them. Leftover rotis aren't boring. They are a blank canvas. Try one today and let me know which one's your favorite. If you have other ideas, do share them in the comments so I can try them out next time. I have stuffed these rotis with the potato mixture which I use for parathas, generally making aloo parathas. You could also stuff them with fresh veggies. You could turn them into, if your child likes gobi, cauliflower, or any other mixture like the filling with momos, any filling you could use to make them. Now, while I was making these rotis, I could do only with the potatoes, so I have used them. Use your creativity here because you know your family well, you know your kids well, you know what they like, what they don't like. Use ideally a dry mixture so that the rotis don't turn out soggy when they open their lunchbox. If they like lettuce, onions, carrots, beans, and cauliflower, use those mixtures. For us at home, mostly they like the potato mixture, so I used it. You could use your creativity here at this point and fill in with any kind of mixture. Instead of sending just normal boring rotis, you could do this too. Just ensure the mixture is a little dry, the filling is a little dry before you stuff it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What I love about cooking, what I love about being in this space or recording videos, I love the fact that it's my meditative space, my me time, where I enjoy slow cooking, the entire process of it. If you're just like me, do drop a comment in the comment section so I know I'm not the only person who does this. You also enjoy cooking, baking just like me. Thank you for watching.